tagal eh. Okay, today is January 29, year 2025. We're here at Doris restaurant inside the veteran veteran hospital. We are in the veteran golf club. Okay. We just finished flying in the UP and air. Oy, tingin kayo dito. Oh. Habang naglalunch kami, tapos na. I'll give you a 360 view of here. Okay guys, ganda oh. Look like we can fly a small heli, maybe S1, S2. Kahit yung 500, mukhang pwede. Dito na. Oh. Ewan kung paano lang ito.
Hindi naman na yata ito, no? Hindi ginagamit.
Try natin ngayon.
Hindi yun nagtatry.
Lalo ko pang hindi na anong baterya.
One time, nagpapilipad ako sa sa Cam John Hay Golf Club.
Binawala ka?
Hindi na ako nagpaalam. Tapos nung patapos na ako, pinagbawalan ako ng guard. Okay, sige.
Ayaw nila mas
Tapos na ako eh.
Okay mo ngayon battery niya. Kahit tayo,
Okay. Okay, again, you can try. Oh, Mel, lipat mo na yung ano mo, yung micro heli. Pwede dito, dito ka lang oh. Tama. Kada ko rin eh. Tabad na ako eh. Galing dito oh. Kahit yung roller mo, pwede na dito. Yan, roller ka oh. Pagbubuka tayong bata. Diba? Okay. That's about it. Thank you. You will appreciate this video after 20 years. 20 years, ilan na taon ako? Maybe 80 plus, no? I have an old video that's about more than 18 years. Okay, that's about it.